This lecture explores essential practices for improving team collaboration, meeting efficiency, and effective project management. It begins by emphasizing the importance of client meetings, just suggesting strategies like smaller groups, punctuality, and assigning clear roles to maintain focus and productivity. For remote settings, turning on cameras and minimizing distractions help foster engagement. This discussion shifts to a sensitive topic for recording meetings, highlighting the digital policy and ethical considerations involved. While recording can be useful, the lecture stresses the value of strong note-taking skills to navigate restrictions and comply with regulations. The focus then transitions to project planning, underlining the need of procedure and methodologies, identifying the minimum viable product early, and ensuring client involvement to address potential challenges. On the technical side, the video delves into version control systems and contrasting centralized and distributed systems, who explains best practices like branch management, automating workflows, and using permalinks for stability and documentation. Finally, GitHub features such as issue tracking and organizing code changes through branches and presented as powerful tools for maintaining a collaborative and streamlined development environment. This lecture concludes with actionable advice on merging strategies and code maintenance, ensuring long-term project success. Client meetings feedback. Feedback from the client's meetings highlights area for improvement. For failure meetings, smaller groups can be more efficient and team members can rotate to ensure everyone participates. Punctuality is a key as starting on time shows respect for everyone's schedule. Assigning clear roles for the moderator who leads the discussion and the recorder who document key points. Developers should actively drive the meetings by sticking the agenda, ensuring discussions remain productive. For remote meetings, having camera on can help maintain engagement, while using one connection per location minimizes noises. If sharing a screen, eliminate distractions to keep the focus on the content. Lastly, moderators play a crucial role in remote settings by following the agenda, calling on speakers, and announcing decisions to keep things on track. Recording meetings or lectures is a sensitive topic as it often is restricted by laws, policies, or privacy concerns. Secure facilities or intellectual property considerations may also prohibit recordings. Even where they are not outright banned, recordings are not always welcomed by all the parties. Instead of relying on recording, it's vital to develop strong note taking skills, which are professional assessed. Always ask for explicit permission before recording to avoid violations. For lectures, recording is often disallowed due to copyright issues or privacy regulations like FERPA. Ultimately, it's better to prepare yourself to take effective notes. Effective client meetings are crucial for fostering collaboration and ensure project alignment. Smaller meetings are often more productive, allowing for focused discussions and better engagement. To gain a broader perspective, it's beneficial to rotate team members, giving everyone an opportunity to contribute and present their areas of expertise. Clear role assignments further enhance the meeting efficiency. Having a dedicated moderators ensures discussions stay on track, while a recorder captures key points and action teams items. Punctuality is another critical aspect. Arriving on team demonstrates respect for everyone's schedule and thus a professional tone. Lastly, allowing developers to lead the agenda ensure the conversations are guided by clear objective and technical insights, making the meetings more relevant and outcome driven. Effective project plans serves as a backbone of successful projects by providing a clear roadmap for the team and stakeholders to follow. These plans must be designed with precision and a keen attention to detail, as overlooking crucial aspects can lead to significant challenges later in the project lifecycle. For example, neglecting the outlines where the client will deploy the applications can result in compatibility issues, delays, or even failure to meet client expectations. Similarly, not clearly defining how acceptance testing will be conducted can create confusion during critical validation phases, potentially leading to dispute or unmet requirements. Effective coordination plans should incorporate active client involvement to ensure alignment between the development team and the client goals. This alignment is vital as it helps preempt misunderstandings and foster a collaborative atmosphere. Another fundamental aspect of project planning is identifying the minimum viable product as early as possible. The MVP minimum viable product serves as a streamlined version of the project that satisfies the core's requirement while leaving room for iterative improvements. Recognizing the MVP ensures the team prioritizes essential features and avoids being bogged down by unnecessary additions that could delay delivery. Flexibility within a project schedule is equally important. Unexpected delays are often inevitable, whether due to unforeseen technical challenges, resources constraints, or changing client needs. By building a buffer into timeline, the team can adapt to these situations without jeopardizing the project's overall success. Finally, clear and precise writing is non-negotiable aspect of project plans. Ambiguous or vague instructions can lead to Misinterpretations, wasted effort, and frustrations among team members. A well crafted project plan acts as a single source of truth for all the parties involved, reducing confusion and keeping the project on track. Overall, a thoughtful, detailed project sets Version control systems are indispensable tools in modern software engineering, enabling teams to track, manage, and collaborate on code changes seamlessly. These systems provide a historical record of changes, allowing developers to identify when and where bugs were introduced, revert to stable versions if necessary, and maintain accountability through detailed logs of contributions. There are two primary types of version control systems: centralized and distributed. In centralized systems, all the metadata and the code reside on central server, which acts as a single source of truth. While this approach simplifies certain administrative tasks, it introduces risks such as single points of failure. In contrast, distributed systems like Git allow each clone to contain the full repository, including its history, enhancing resilience and enabling offline work. Branches are cornerstone of effective version control systems. They allow teams to work on multiple features or fixes simultaneously without interfering with stable code base. The main branch should always house stable, buildable code that can be released to productive while development branches enable experimentation and ongoing work. Automating workflows is another key component of effective version control. Continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines ensure that new code is automatically built, tested, and deployed, reducing manual efforts and minimizing the risk of introducing errors. Tools like GitHub further enhance version control system by offering collaborative features such as Kanban board for issue tracking and enabling teams to organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress. A crucial but often overlooked component of successful version control is onboarding new developers. Every project should include a comprehensive tutorial that covers essential steps such as cloning the repository, building and running the application, generating documentation, and committing changes. By combining robust version control practices with effective team workflows, software engineering teams can deliver high-quality products consistently. Permalinks and branch management. Permalinks are a vital feature in software documentation and code management, offering stable links to specific versions of code. These links ensure that references to particular lines or files remain accurate. Even as the code evolves over time, this stability is especially important in environments where precise documentation is crucial, such as compliance audits or collaborative development projects. Permalinks simplify the process of tracing changes, reproducing issues, and ensuring that historical records align with the code as it existed at a specific point in time. Proper branch management is equally crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient development workflow. The main branch serves as a repository's backbone containing stable, buildable code ready for production deployment. Development branches allow teams to work on new features, bug fixes, and experimental ideas without risking the stability of the main branch. Release branches, on the other hand, track deployed versions to ensure stability and facilitate patching for production issues. Frequent and small merges are the best practices in the branch management, helping to avoid complex conflicts that can arise from prolonged periods of divergence. By combining permalinks with disciplined branch management, teams can maintain a robust and scalable code base that supports both development and operational needs. Now let's start the last topic of this lecture, which is the GitHub browser and issues. GitHub provides a powerful platform for managing software development projects, offering features that streamline collaboration and improve code quality. One of the most effective ways to stay organized is by creating issues branches for each task or feature. These branches should be directly linked to issues on GitHub, which can include descriptive labels, checkboxes, and other metadata to categorize and track progress. Linking branches to issues not only clarifies the purpose of each branch but also facilitates collaboration by providing a shared understanding of what the branch aims to accomplish. When it comes to pull requests, maintaining a clean commit history is crucial for ensuring that the repository remains easy to navigate and understand. Using tools like Rebase to squash unnecessary commits into logical units of work enhances clarity and simplifies the review process. Once a pull request is ready for merging, teams can choose between merge strategies such as Rebase or Squash, depending on their preferred workflow. This strategy is ensuring that the main branch remains clean and maintainable, reducing the complexity of future integrations. GitHub also offers additional tools like Kanban boards, which enable teams to visualize their workflows and track the status of tasks in real time. By combining these organizational features with disciplined practices like frequent merging and clear commit messages, teams can create a seamless and efficient development environment. These practices not only enhance collaboration but also ensure the code base remains robust and scalable.